The bird of love surrounds you like a snare. You who hide your feelings deep inside, and on the longest ribs of the chest of the one who weeps, the heart full of longing, yet it will be cunning. If you deny that your sensitive heart is anxiously yearning for me, and ask your heart, it will say, don't deny it. Thank you for the smile you gave me, a smile that burns deep in the hollow of my heart. As for abandonment and rejection, I am not thankful for that. The daughters of Adam and Eve, from Anud al-Nuf, with eyes like deer's, gazing from the highest clouds on a mountain. She who showed her beauty, intoxicating to behold, a beauty unmatched by any description. What you have and what lies between us, frankly, there is something between us that cannot be compared. You bring me words that call for good, and offer a look that forbids me from evil. Al-Shuf, the look. And if I ask you, you say that love is a cunning conspiracy. Hit and run is not familiar to lovers. And how can one be good at fleeing or evading love?